Is it really possible to own rental property for just $250? And even better, get truly passive income without ever dealing with tenants, toilets, or leaky roofs? For most, it sounds like a pipe dream, but what if I told you the secret is out? Welcome to our channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. In today's video, we're going to show you how to own rental property for just $250 and what the secret is that makes this possible. So make sure to watch till the end. So is it possible to own rental property for just $250 and get truly passive income without ever having to be a landlord? Yes, absolutely. And the way to do this is through something called fractional real estate investing. By the way, stick around because we're gonna share exactly how you can get started. There are three main problems when it comes to traditional real estate investing. One is that there's extremely high barriers to entry. Down payments can easily be hundreds of thousands of dollars and you need good credit. Problem 2 is that you're not diversified. All your eggs are in one basket, and problem 3 is that you're a landlord. You get the 2 a.m. calls, the leaky roof, the tenant issues. Well, inflation is eating your savings alive. You want hard assets, but how? What if I told you there's a way to get all the benefits of real estate investing without any of the downsides? That's why we built Mogul Club. Our platform allows you to buy shares of real properties with a down payment of just $250. That's right, you heard correctly. You can start investing in single-family rental properties for just $250. We focus on single-family rentals because it's the most stable and predictable type of real estate investing. How is this possible? How can you own rental property for just $250? Our secret is that you don't have to manage the property. That's what Mogul Club is for. From finding the property to making sure it's always rented to handling maintenance, we do it all so you don't have to. As a Mogul Club investor, you'll receive monthly dividends from the rental income. We make sure that tenants pay rent on time. If there's an issue with the property, we take care of it. We make sure the property is always rented so you always receive income. That's why Mogul Club is truly passive income. On average, our investors earn 10 to 12% cash on cash yield. That means for every $250 you invest, you can earn up to $250 per year in rental income. In addition to that, you'll also benefit from property appreciation and tax benefits. Some of our investors have seen returns as high as 18.8% IRR. So what are you waiting for? Ready to transform your financial future and finally own real estate without the headaches? Click the link in the description below to learn more and start investing with Mogul Club today. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow us on social media for all the latest updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.